Guys, we are now here riding in a camel, and we are going to see around this desert. Yeah, and look at Sophie is there, right in front of me.
I know, you've already met me.
And this is our first time to ride in the camel, so excitement and nervous. We'll see. La la la. Here's no, sorry.
Good thing I was really holding though.
Yeah.
Won't have to be panicked.
So I think we're good because we're quiet. Hold. They were all laughing.